My name is Seojin Park and I'm going to talk about the process of meiosis. Before meiosis, a cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes and has 2 centrioles in it. The cell is called a diploid cell. First, interphase. Interphase consists of 3 phases, the G1, S, and G2 phase. During the G1 phase, the cell increases in mass. During the S phase, the DNA synthesizes as 23 pairs of chromosomes duplicate to become 46 pairs of chromosomes. During the G2 phase, the cell continues to grow. Meanwhile, the centromere links the sister chromatids. In prophase 1 of meiosis, homologous chromosomes pair up and crossing over happens. This is where the first variation of DNA occurs. When crossing over happens, 2 homologous chromosomes exchange segments of their genetic material. They exchange genetic code in the same locus of the chromosomes. During prometaphase, the nuclear membrane disappears and the spindle fibers start to grow from the centrioles. During metaphase 1, the chromosomes align at the metaphase plate. The orientation of the chromosomes is random, and this is where the second variation of DNA occurs. During anaphase 1, chromosomes are pulled apart and they are moved to the opposite cell poles. Unlike in mitosis, sister chromatids remain together after the homologous chromosomes move to opposite poles. In telophase 1, nuclear membranes may reform or the cell may start meiosis II right away. When cytokinesis happens, 2 daughter cells form. These daughter cells are diploid cells too. Prophase 2 begins with 2 daughter cells. The centrioles are split in half and are moved to each pole of the cell. Instead of the chromosomes duplicating, the chromosomes start to move towards the metaphase 2 plate, which is the cell's equator. During metaphase 2, chromosomes line up at the cell's center. Then, during anaphase 2, sister chromatids separate and move to opposite poles. During telophase 2, nuclei form at the opposite poles. Then cytokinesis happens. Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm and the formation of 2 distinct cells. Finally, 4 granddaughter cells are produced. Each sperm cell has half the number of chromosomes as the parent cells. The sperm cells are haploids.